Have you ever believed something about money only to find out it wasn't true? Today, we're debunking 5 of the most common financial myths that many young adults believe. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which money myths to ditch, putting you firmly on the path to financial success. Quick disclaimer, this video is meant for educational and entertainment purposes only, and should not be taken as professional financial advice. Myth number 1. I'm young. It's too early to save or invest. Here's a myth I bet you've heard, or even said to yourself, I'm young, I've got plenty of time to save or invest later. Sound familiar? Well, here's the surprising truth. Waiting to save and invest can actually cost you thousands, or even hundreds of thousands, in missed opportunities. Why? Because of something called compound interest. Let's take a quick example. Imagine 2 friends, Sarah and Jack. Sarah starts investing $100 each month at age 20. Jack waits until he's 30 and invests the same amount. Both invest until they turn 60. By the time they retire, Sarah would have over double the money Jack has, even though she only started 10 years earlier. That's the power of compound interest. Your money grows exponentially over time. The earlier you start, even with small amounts, the bigger your financial advantage becomes. The takeaway here, start now, even if it's just a small amount each month. Future you will thank you, I promise. Stick around, because next up, we're busting the myth that credit cards are always bad. You might be surprised at what you learn. Myth number 2, credit cards are always bad. Now let's talk about another common myth. Credit cards are always bad. Sure, credit card debt can be dangerous if you're not careful. But here's what most people overlook. Credit cards can actually be powerful financial tools when used responsibly. Responsible credit card use can help you build a strong credit score, which is essential for big financial moves later in life, like buying a home or starting a business. Plus, many credit cards offer benefits like cashback, travel rewards, and purchase protection. The key to benefiting from credit cards without falling into the debt trap is simple. Pay your balance in full, on time, every single month. This habit not only boosts your credit score, but also lets you take advantage of rewards without paying costly interest. Remember, a credit card isn't necessarily good or bad. It's how you manage it that makes all the difference. Use it wisely, and it can become one of your best financial allies. Next, let's debunk the myth that renting is throwing money away. Trust me, it's not as clear-cut as you might think. You've probably heard the phrase, renting is throwing money away. But is this actually true? Let's look a bit deeper. Renting gives you incredible flexibility, especially valuable when you're young and still exploring opportunities. You're free to relocate quickly for career changes, life events, or just to experience a new city, without the hassle of selling property. Another overlooked benefit of renting is that you avoid unpredictable and expensive homeownership costs, like major repairs, property taxes, and maintenance fees. When you rent, your expenses are predictable, which can make budgeting easier. Owning a home isn't always better financially, especially if you're not ready to commit long-term or aren't financially stable enough to handle unexpected costs. Renting isn't throwing money away. It's paying for convenience, flexibility, and financial predictability. The bottom line? Renting can sometimes be a smart financial choice, particularly in your younger years. Myth number 4. Investing is only for rich people. Here's another myth you might have heard. Investing is only for rich people. But this couldn't be further from the truth. Thanks to modern technology and increased accessibility, investing is now within reach for almost anyone, regardless of their income level. Platforms today allow you to start investing with very small amounts, sometimes as little as $5 or $10. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, crypto, or index funds without having a large sum up front. These small, regular investments can build significant wealth over time. Remember our friend's compound interest? It works here too. Small, consistent investments made over a long period can grow into substantial amounts. You don't need to be wealthy to invest. You just need consistency and patience. Don't let the myth hold you back. Investing isn't reserved for the wealthy. It's a powerful tool available to everyone, including you. Coming up, we'll debunk our final myth, the idea that you need a high income to become wealthy. Stay tuned to find out the real keys to building wealth. Myth number 5. You must have a high income to become wealthy. Many believe the only path to wealth is earning a big paycheck. But this is simply not true. Building wealth is less about how much you earn and more about how well you manage your money. People with moderate incomes can and do become wealthy by focusing on budgeting, consistent saving, and wise investing. They avoid debt, live within their means, and invest regularly, even if it's just a little each month. Wealth building is about habits and discipline, not just salary. Many high earners actually struggle financially due to overspending and poor financial management. The real key to building wealth? Spend less than you earn, save consistently, invest wisely, and stay disciplined. Regardless of your income level, these habits will set you on the path to financial success. So, there you have it, 5 common financial myths debunked. Understanding and avoiding these myths can make a huge difference in your financial journey. Remember, the keys to success aren't about starting big. It's about starting early, managing your money wisely, and making informed decisions. This channel is designed to make financial education accessible and fun for everyone: kids, teenagers, and young adults. Whether you're starting your money journey or just looking to sharpen your financial skills, these videos are perfect for you. Share this video with your friends, family, or even your kids, and help them build strong money habits for a brighter future. Let's grow smarter together. Keep building those smart financial habits, and I'll see you in the next video on white budgeting.